Everything starts below ground. This foundation will carry the entire villa. All the hidden systems are installed now. After this, they will never be seen again. Now the villa begins to take its real shape. From steel and concrete to a solid shield, this roof protects the entire home. The house finally gets its shape. Every room starts with a single block. Now the house starts to look like a home. Lines become perfect. This is the stage where every detail sells the house. The project is almost complete. Now we build the access road and landscape that transform this house into a private resort.
This is not a render. This is the real completed project.
This is not just a house, this is a statement.